DGP sir, DIG sir, SP sir, senior officer, retiring staff, deputy members, my colleagues and all others. On behalf of Goa Police Welfare Society, I welcome you all for today's felicitation function. Today we have been gathered here to bid farewell to our officers who after several years of dedicated service retiring today. This month we are felicitating 10 officers of our department. As the day dawns, the new chapter of your life will begin. Retirement is nothing but the end of one stage of life and the beginning of a new chapter. Retirement is life's way telling you that it is time to put your family and friends before your work. To retire with dignity and a clean record is the great achievement of one's life. Your commitment, dedication of time and efforts into the police profession are priceless. And as a token of appreciation, you will be felicitated by presenting a memento, service certificate, service medal, and other retirement benefits. As I call out, please come forward to receive honor. I invite Honorable DGP sir to honor the retirees. In this department, duty hours of traffic cell Kalangud who served 39 years to this department. PSI, Vishwanath of Security Unit Alnido, who put in 38 years of service. PSI Premanand Virani of Shivaji, who put in 40 years of service.
सबके 39 40 years
Shivaji and Birje of Traffic Cell Margaon, who put in 38 years of service. PSI Vishram P. Rao, RTC Boy Alpino, who put in 40 years of service. PSI Deepak L. Kankar, 42 years of service. PSI MT Establishment, Uday P. SPCR Palaji, completed 39 years of service. ASI band Adelino Pereira, band section Altino, Tupuji.
अच्छा कौन बजाएगा
मेरे फ्रांसिस तैयार हो गए
अभी कोई नहीं है कौन अच्छा ऑल द बेस्ट
ASI dog squad Gokuldas V. Honkarkar, of dog unit Altino, Tupuji, 37 years of service.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.